Hi Adit,
Hello, sir.
how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm very well. So Adit, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm talking to you.
I'm asking you, what were you doing before calling you?
Sir, I was reading book.
You were reading book.
Yes, sir.
That's great. And you tell me, what's your younger brother doing?
My younger brother is watching television.
You're good. And you tell me, what's your father doing right now?
My father is reading newspaper.
Oh, your father is reading newspaper. Which newspaper is your father reading?
Hindustan.
Hindustan.
Yes, sir.
In English or Hindi?
In Hindi.
In Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Do you like reading newspaper?
Yes, I do.
Which types of newspaper do you like reading? English or Hindi?
In English.
In English. Wow,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. I also read newspaper English in the morning. Okay, and you tell me, what's your mother doing?
My mother is cooking lunch.
Cooking lunch.
Yes, sir.
Oh, in the kitchen room.
Yes, sir.
Good. And do you have any idea what is your mother cooking
No,
for
sir. I
lunch?
have no any idea.
Oh, you don't have any idea.
Yes, sir.
Let it be. And you tell me, what's your sister doing?
My sister is watching mobile.
Your sister is watching mobile.
Yes, sir.
She is reading anything or she is watching any movie serial like
Sir, she is reading.
she is reading from mobiles.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. And you tell me, I want to know about, and do you go out to play in the evening?
No, sir. I don't go to play about in. Sorry. No, I don't go to play in evening.
Oh, you
At
don't go to play in the evening.
yes, sir.
Oh, it's a good, and don't go out play in the evening because it's a, you know what, the coronavirus is spreading all over the world. It's harmful to us. That's why stay home and save life. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. What are you doing, sir?
Right that time I'm talking to you, but before calling you, I was reading because I have come here to Samriddhi's house. You know who is Samriddhi?
Yes, sir. I
Some
know who is
yeah.
Samriddhi.
Hmm. I have come Samriddhi's house to teach home tuition. In the morning time I come here to teach, and in the evening time I go to teach in Priya's house. And this day, are you reading or not?
Yes, sir. I reading.
Oh, you tell me. I want to know that. Do you revise or practice spoken materials? What I was teaching you in is coaching.
Sir, all of these.
Oh, good. And you tell me, have you taken your breakfast today?
Yes, sir. I have taken breakfast today.
What have you taken in your breakfast today?
Sir, I have taken breakfast today with chocos and milk.
Chocos with milk. That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
And today I have eaten nothing because I'm hungry now. I'll go home after that. I'll eat. I'll first of all I have to make it because in my home, sorry, at my home there is no anyone's. That's why I have to cook food with myself because you live in you live with your family. That's why you don't have any types of problem to face. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Moms and your sister cooks food, and you have to only eat.
But you have any problem? Many problem.
I have to face of many problems because the lockdown is going on. That's why I don't go out.
Anyway.
I don't go out. That's why. But in the morning time and in the evening time, I go to teach. If I don't go to teach, no one gives me money. How can I survive my life? And you tell
I
me,
know.
I want to know that is your brother reading right now or doing anything else?
Sir, my brother is reading right now.
Reading. Which
Yes.
subject is your brother reading?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi. Or
Yes,
does
sir.
he like Hindi?
Yes, sir.
Does he like reading Sanskrit?
No, sir. He doesn't like reading Sanskrit.
He doesn't like. What did you eat in dinner yesterday night?
Sir, I ate in dinner yesterday at night chapati and vegetable, some vegetable.
Chapati, which vegetables?
Yes, sir.
Good. Which vegetables? It means that which sabji did you eat yesterday?
Sir, aloo.
Potatoes.
Yes, sir.
Potato sabji.
Aloos and egg.
Eggs. Oh,
Yes.
do you nowadays do you eat egg?
Yes, sir.
Oh, because uh, if you eat meat, fish, eggs, it doesn't matters. You can eat anything.
Yes, sir.
Mm. And you tell me, do you always stay at home
Yes, sir. I
all
always
day
stay.
long?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you don't go out.
No, sir.
And does anyone come to your house to
No,
meet
sir.
you? No.
No. No, sir.
And you tell me, how can you survive your life these days at home? Do you have to face any difficulties at home?
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh, you have everything to survive life.
Yes, sir.
Uh, a middle class family, or lots of middle class family have to face right the time or lots of difficulties, because you know what, the lockdowns has about 1 month. That's why the materials they are eating, it's about to over and finished. That's why the peoples of India who lives in India, they have to face a lots of problem. Yeah.
Yes, sir. But I have no any problem.
Because you have everything at your home,
Yes,
everything's
sir.
available in you at your home. That's why you don't have any types of problem to have, because you have father parents. Do you have any grandparents?
Yes, sir. I have two grandparents.
Yeah, do you have your own grandparents, or your grandparents brother?
No, sir.
Grandparents, it means that grandpa and grandmother, your
Yes, sir.
father's father. Do you have?
Yes, sir.
What's your grandfather doing right now?
Sir, my grandfather doing right now sitting on the bench.
Oh, he's sitting on the bench.
Yes, sir.
He is doing anything else, or just sitting?
Sir, only sitting.
Oh, just sitting. And do you have? You told me that do you have a grandmother?
Sir, my grandmother also.
Yes. What's your grandmother doing?
Sir, my grandmother also doing is sitting on bench.
She is also sitting on the bench.
Yes, sir.
Uh, do sorry. Does everyone have breakfast at your home?
What did you say, sir? I didn't catch that.
I said that. Does everyone have breakfast at your home?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, Adit, nice to talk to you.
Me too, sir.
Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
You,
See you
you
soon.
too, sir. Bye. See you.